Hi, I'm Will, and today we're going to talk about Sunbrella. When Sunbrella first came out in 1960, it was really kind of coarse, mostly used in outside. It felt almost like a canvas. Sunbrella has really changed over the years. They have come out with beautiful patterns, different coordinating fabrics that will work with each other. Sunbrella is also fade resistant, durable, very cleanable. Typically, Sunbrella was used outside primarily, but now we're using a lot of Sunbrella in homes. They come in a lot of colors now. The fabric's very supple. So a lot of folks like Sunbrella for a lot of different reasons. The durability, the fade resistance, the easy spot clean. But I just like to point out that it is stain resistant, but not stain proof. So one of the things Sunbrella is great for is UV and sun not fading your fabric. But if you've got a really high traffic area, kids or animals get on your furniture, you might want to try one of our other performance fabrics. So Sunbrella is a great choice. If you're worried about sun fading, this is your fabric to go to. If you like this video and want to see more on performance fabrics, hit subscribe.